This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
We have a Whirlpool direct drive washer that is coming up with kind of an interesting display here. I'll show you. Let me plug it back in. Tried to unplug it for a while to see if it would clear the code or the symptom, but it seems to persist. So what I'm getting is a little bit of water coming out. I can hear the drain is active. Got the door locked. I believe this happened late in the cycle. It wasn't on drain and spin initially. I think it was just on normal. But as it got near the end, it's supposed to drain out all the water and go into spin. Top, we just got to pull these 3/4 inch screws. If you have a dryer stacked on top and you got to get in here, one thing you can do is you can disconnect your dryer and slide it onto a recycling bin just to get the dryer out of there so you can get this top off. Maybe you don't have enough people to help. You usually need 2 people to lift the dryer off. So if you're by yourself, you have a recycling bin, you can just pull the dryer right on. So you're going to push this away. It gets loose like that, and then lift up, get it out of the way, and make sure it's unplugged. And you're going to find, so if we get the top off and we're looking down, we see this white thing down there, and that is the door lock. There's a little round thing on the top. If you pull that up, that'll unlock the door. Right now our door will not unlock, so we're going to try that and see if that resets anything. I'm going to reach down, grab that thing and unlock it. See if I can show you guys. Get over there. So there's that little release, that white thing. Reach in there, lift up on that. You guys see that? So up is open. You can open the door. So usually when there's a drain problem, the door will remain locked, and the only way you can really get in there is if you override it by taking the top off. And you can see that white thing in there, the round thing at the top. Reach in and lift up like that, and then you can open the door. Now I'm going to put it back, plug it in again, and see if there's any change. That might have reset something. Okay. See what it's doing now. Yeah, I heard a relay click inside here. I think I'm back to normal now. I think that did reset it. Alright, I'm going to try going through a cycle. So I'll turn it back on, give it power. Yeah, so that did reset it. It is possible that that door lock is getting worn out. Alright, I'm going to start it. You can hear the door locked. It's sensing right now what the load's doing. Let me power it down for a second. I'm just going to try drain and spin because I think it's already done. It just needs to be spun out. So we go there, go to drain and spin. 14-minute cycle, turn it on. So we get the door lock, we should get drain function, and then we should get this thing to spin out. And that centrifugal force will create more water, and the drain should kick it out. I'll look inside too to see if I get any leaks. I can hear the drain's active, but there's no water in there, so you don't really hear it sloshing around. So now it's going to start its spin cycle. And the faster it goes, the more centrifugal force will throw the water out into the spin basket. It'll get caught in the tub. It'll go down, it'll hit the drain motor, and the drain motor will kick it out. I'm going to go check it out from the other side. Turned off the power button, and we're still getting the less and less spin, no more drain, and the door just unlocked. So it's behaving properly. Maybe what's going on is that door lock is having trouble. And again, if you need to, you have to unlock. You just got that white thing down there, just pull it up and it'll unlock. I think I probably need a new door lock. Normal cycle now. Drain is active, the door locked, it's going to do sensing. That's where the motor kicks in and it just rotates and it tries to feel how much voltage do I need to rotate this thing. That tells the algorithm how heavy it is, and then it's going to add water to put the right amount of water to wash that load. I got basically one item in there, so it's almost no load. And now it's circulating that item so it gets saturated with the water as the water flows in. It's going to do that for a while, and then it'll go to the high-speed spin. All back on too. By the way, for this model, we have this nice pamphlet located underneath the top panel, and it has some tests you can do for your lock for your machine that will help you with diagnosis. This is for service technicians, but you can take a look at it yourself, and it has things about the control panel, about troubleshooting, doing a diagnostic, checking on your fault and error codes. So pretty good information. All right, so I'm going to put this back on. In position. Bring that forward, and then we're going to add those 3 screws on the back. There we go. All right, we'll just bring it back into position and we're done.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.